Hello, today I want to talk about the Hopkins magnetic towing light kit model C6300. The reason why I bought this is because I was going out to go out mow somebody's lawn yesterday. Before I went out, I always check my my lights, my trailer lights, and my flashers. I took my flasher, turned on the flashers, see if they're working. They weren't working. I did my left and right signal. They weren't working neither. So a real quick fix was, well, you know what? I don't got time to find out what's going on with the trailer. So I just went to Lowe's, 5 minutes on the street, and bought this towing light kit. The reason why I bought it was because I'm not gonna go anywhere without any working lights in the back of my trailer. You could cause an accident because the people behind you may not knowing that they're stopping or returning left or right because their lights aren't working. So never take that chance and leave with your trailer when your lights aren't working, because you could cause an accident and a possible serious injury or maybe death because you were taking that chance and taking off with your trailer with your lights not working. So this it's a real quick, simple setup. Already took it out the box right here. This is going to be your right and your left. They're magnetic, so they'll stick to the trailer. So let's set them up real quick. Here's my left. As you can see, they got a red and orange side. They say statistics saying orange is better, but a lot of people use red. So either or is the law is because you use either red or orange. Bam, sticks on just like that. As you can see, we have all this slack right here. You want to make sure it goes inside the trailer. And for a connector, just like that. All right, now let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, what I just showed you first was the hazard lights, the left turn signal, the right turn signal, and I put the parking brakes on. So as you can see, it works real good. They're magnetic. All right, they're not going nowhere. I already used them once. I went over bumps. I stopped. They're still on there. I stopped. I got out. They're still on there. So they're not going anywhere, y'all. And as you can see, it's a slack right here. You know, you could just roll it up and zip tie it to the trailer. All right, there you are, magnetic towing light kit, model part number C6300. I highly recommend you get them for just to have, because you never know, your lights may go out on the trailer and you don't want to take off with the trailer if your lights aren't working. Once again, you could cause serious injury, by getting into an accident or a possible death. Either you or the people in your vehicle or the people behind you or around you. Okay, so don't take that chance, people. Other than that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe. There's more videos to follow. And if you definitely like this video, if you found it very helpful, please hit like. Thank you and God bless. Bye.